Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Friendship with Sim, and today we're going to learn something really interesting. Any guesses? I'll tell you. Today we're going to learn how to describe weather in French. And I hope you're really excited for it. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. If you want to say it's very cold in French, how would you say that? You would say il fait froid. Il fait froid. This means it's very cold. And if you want to say it's hot in French, how would you say that? You would say il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. This means it's hot in French. If you want to say there is the sun, how would you say that? You would say il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. If you want to further describe a hot weather in French, suppose it is very dry and you want to say it's dry in French, how would you say that? I'll tell you. You would say c'est sec. That means it's dry. C'est sec. Similarly, if it's very humid and you want to tell the same to a person but in French, how would you say that? You would say c'est humide. C'est humide. That means it's humid in French. If it's cloudy and you want to describe the same to somebody but in French, how would you say that? You would say il y a quelques nuages. Il y a quelques nuages. This means there are some clouds. And if you want to say it's raining, how would you say that? But in French, you would say il pleut. Il pleut. If you want to say there's fog, but in French, how would you say that? You would say il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. That means there is fog. If you want to say there is wind blowing in French, you would say il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. If you want to say there is thunderstorm, how would you say that? You would say il y a de l'orage. Il y a de l'orage. That means there is thunderstorm. There is a thunderstorm. And if you want to say it's snowing, how would you say that? You'll say il neige. Il neige. If you want to say what a good weather, you would say quel beau temps. That means what a good weather. And if the weather is not good and you want to say such a bad weather, what a bad weather, you would say quel mauvais temps. This is how you describe weather in French. If you want to ask someone how's the weather, how would you ask them? But in French, you would say quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Félicitations! We are done with everything about the weather in French. I hope this video was useful to you. If yes, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are updated with every new video that comes in. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Friendship with Sim. And I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir!